One thing I've really learned in the crypto space is always be open to a little bit of diversity and don't sleep or lull on the altcoin potential, because when these coins wake up, they have massive potential, more so than Bitcoin, to be fair. So let's have a little look at it, guys. Hope you guys are well. Welcome back to the channel. Here are 5 coins I've already bought into and will actively continue to hoard more of these coins because yes, I'm a crazy crypto maxi. So let's have a little look at it. Alt season index, we can see sitting at 53. So yes, let's have a little look at altcoins. Are they truly at their undervaluation phase right now? No. But are they closer to the bottom than, you know, I would be happy to buy? I mean, like, they're close to the bottom, but they're not like so far away from the bottom that I'm not attracted to purchasing anymore. So yeah, they're away from the bottom, but they're not like far away from the bottom. So let's have a look. So coin number 1 is going to be SUNE or SUNE. I don't know how you actually pronounce this, but this coin is a ghost. It's a silent pumper in the markets. Now, it recently listed on CoinMarketCap, and what excites me is that it's a very fresh token. You can see they've got the data here from 2023 May. So to me, it tells me it has not yet thrived within a macro bull market environment, but there's a lot of potential because this coin is already listed on Binance, KuCoin, Coinbase, but to be fair, there's a lot of other tier 1 exchanges that it isn't actually on yet, but it's just not getting the hype and volume that a coin like this should be potentially getting. We can see the market cap has dropped from about 700 million. It is currently sitting around 563 million. So a 10x makes that 5 point something billion mark. Now, if we look at the supply here, we can see there are 965 million SUNE tokens. That's only 9.66% of the overall total supply unlocked. So that is a red flag in the sense that if 50% more coins get injected, you're going to see a huge drop in the price, even if the market cap does go up by 5x, but then 5x more tokens went into supply. Yeah, the price isn't going to be effectively 5x higher. So it's one to keep an eye on. Do a bit of research on it, but so far I've made some decent gains because I was buying this coin here. If we look at the last year, I was buying this coin down in the low 4.2 region. So yeah, I'm not up 2x at all, but I am absolutely up from these low 4s to the high sort of 5s that we've got. And you can see the trend here, the trajectory is just so nice. It's a nice continuation to the upside. It's a nice ascending channel that we can see right here. But overall, SUNE is an innovative decentralized layer 1 blockchain that redefines asset ownership. And I'm big on any projects that are really out there trying to push their true narrative, doing marketing, going to exhibitions, networking and all the shows and things that come with it. So absolutely bullish, and I think, you know, building on things like this could be really good. Look at all the other layer 1s that have already done well. I think SUNE's got a chance to do something big in the future. Next one is going to be Bitcoin ETF. This is a new pre-sale that just literally went live a week ago. They already raised $668,000. Now this one is basically they've built their ecosystem surrounding the new Bitcoin ETFs that are going to be happening very soon. Every time a real world Bitcoin ETF gets approved, there will be ecosystem changes here, like reduced sell tax, more burning of the supply. So they're going to do things that help benefit the community, make things a little bit more spicy in this crypto space. So at the moment, we can see one Bitcoin ETF token is $0.0052. They're looking to raise 810k until the price goes up yet again. So there are staggered phases of the pre-sale, so the earlier you get in, the more tokens you can acquire. Remember, this is not financial advice because it is a speculative crypto here, because you know, we're hedging our bets that yes, this is not yet public. No one knows about it. It's not on an exchange yet. And, you know, by the time it does get on DEX and centralized exchange, we're expecting and anticipating a big community pump and also just a lot of liquidity, fresh liquidity and volume coming in from those particular exchanges. So it does look good. It does have a staking side as well. You can see they got 1.186k followers, and they are continuously updating their Twitter with all the Bitcoin ETF news and all these sort of anticipated big arrival news as well, and all the intensity that surrounds it. They're celebrating 600k raised. Give them a follow on Twitter. It's probably worth just doing because they are actually continuously and daily putting out news surrounding the Bitcoin ETF happening. So that's really good as well. Overall, they've got also some big lucrative staking rewards of 379% APY, 74.9 million tokens have currently been staked. So that's quite a big bag of tokens overall being staked as well. Also, just a quick one, guys, before we move on, because, you know, Bitcoin ETF is one of my new favorite pre-sales. If you are also a trader, I know I've got a lot of DeFi degens that like the high risk reward stuff, do consider becoming a patron. I've unlocked 5 more crypto legend packages. So if you want to get over 500, that's correct, 500 trading signals per month, click the Patreon down below. Check out the Discord down below as well, as you're going to get loads of signals like the ones that you can see on screen that will guide you with the stop loss, the entry, the take profit zones. On to coin number 3. We have Yearn Finance. Yearn Finance is a sleeping giant. This coin was crazy in the bull run. Look at that. $82,000. If you don't know what Yearn is, you can see here with Yearn, the yield protocol. Yearn is a decentralized suite of products helping individuals, DAOs, and other protocols earn yield on their digital assets. So that's it. Big staking thing right here. And look at the supply, 36,647 YFI. Hence why the price goes absolutely just ballistic and parabolic. So if you can own one full YFI token, that's quite a precious thing. 90% of the coins are in circulation. Now, looking at the last year, well, YFI recently just exploded. To be fair, look at this month, from $5,000 to $10,000. No one is talking about it. No one knows about it. No one is talking about it. I'm talking about it. My father actually holds a lot of YFI, or is interested in YFI. So therefore, it's reminded me to make a little video on it, but I do have a small holding of YFI, just not as much as I wish I did have. I think this coin can return to some large numbers, like 20 to 30k in that bull run. We're looking at a 3x. The market cap is only $350 million. The previous market cap all-time high was $3 billion. So if we do a 10x from here, you're looking at 100,000. If we get back to that previous market cap all-time high, $100,000. 10x potential with Yearn Finance. Do some research on it, folks. Understand the ecosystem. And yeah, it's an exciting one. You can see it's on Binance, it's on Coinbase, and a few others. But I think, you know, bull market time, big potential for this bad boy right here. Coin number 4. Bitcoinrix, guys, another pre-sale. It's about to smash through $4 million raised. Bitcoinrix stake tokens mine bitcoins, it says right here. So one Bitcoin mined in 2013 appreciated 27.3k in 10 years. Whoa. So basically it's in an ICO pre-sale phase again. And one Bitcoinrix is $0.0116. But in one day, 22 hours, the price will go up, or by the time they raise $4.6 million right here. So this one, yes, it's a Bitcoin themed one, and whilst Bitcoin pumps, I think Bitcoin related projects will do quite well, personally, not financial advice. But this one is tokenizing mining, guys. So their software allows you to generate like mining credits and hash power to basically stake to mine Bitcoin mining. So it's a really simple ecosystem, but it's got some decent utility as well as some powerful staking rewards behind the scenes of 148% right there. Quite a large Twitter following already of 6.7k. Loads of articles out there, loads of influencers have covered this particular pre-sale. And yeah, you can see there's a lot of traction with their overall Twitter. So the Bitcoinrix link is down below if you want to research or buy this particular pre-sale. You can see there is the dashboard. That is how it looks. It's quite nice, to be fair. We can see that snippet. There's also a $30,000 giveaway where they're doing 10 lucky winners of $3,000 each. You can see juicy roadmap over here as well, leading into phase 4 where they are aiming to achieve mass adoption. So we're in pre-sale, then it'll go development, launch as well. So it's another one, you know, speculating that is this going to go higher by the time it launches. There's always a good chance, yes, but we can't hit 100% accuracy. Total supply 4 billion. 1.7 billion into Bitcoin mining, 1.4 billion into marketing, 500 million into staking, 400 million into the community side of things right there. And overall, I think it just looks like a good ecosystem. It's got a nice website. Okay, it doesn't have the team docs and KYC yet, but I heard they will be adding that in soon. So keep your eyes peeled on the Bitcoinrix token. It does look good. Now for coin number 5, it's another one that not many have heard of, but this is one I researched on. It's known as Say. So Say is one that I am also quite excited about, enabling mass adoption of digital assets. insane transaction finality, insane orders per second, and 4 million testnet users. So it's powerful infrastructure. We can see compared to other blockchains, Say is more superior, according to them, than Solana, Ethereum, and Bitcoin already. Now, we are sitting tight in what looks like we could be approaching an alt season. So I think coins like Say, coins like SUNE over here, have a lot of potential, as well as the pre-sale ones once they do finally go live. But Say over here, we've got 1.8 billion tokens in supply, 10 billion total supply, market cap 266 million. Another one that didn't get a chance yet to actually thrive and survive in a bull market. So when it is a bull market environment, I expect this coin to also go very, very crazy, because it's on what are we doing? Not feeds. It's on Binance, it's on Coinbase, KuCoin, and these centralized exchanges would not list something if they didn't believe in it. If it was a crap coin, if it had no utility or purpose, they simply wouldn't list it there. There's some incredible tokens out there that are still not yet listed on Binance. So that makes me bullish. And there are my 5 cryptos at the moment of this month and week that I am currently dipping into. I hope this video was somewhat insightful. If you're new here, subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you very soon. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend, folks. Next week, I'll be back with more videos. Feeling a little bit crappy this week, to be fair, so just going to try and sort of lay low, relax, and yeah, just focus on the normal good stuff and live simply, I guess. Anyways, take care. See you soon. Post down below what you're looking at crypto-wise. I'd love to know. See you soon.